Hey, I'm Matt Miller, an IES consultant up in Valparaiso, Indiana. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about what predictive ground speed automation is on these new model year 25 and up series combines. Pretty much all it is there's two forward-facing cameras up on top of the cab using satellite imagery and biomass of the plants taken while the plants are growing throughout the growing season. And it's going to predict the ground speed of the combine. So these combines are specifically made to run at full capacity 100% of the time. So when you say you're getting into a smaller, lower populated part of the field, maybe you have it drowned out, it's going to speed up that machine. You get into a very high yielding, thick area known for 100 bushel beans, it's going to slow that machine down to keep the sieves covered 100% of the time.
Today we are out here at our Fowler soybean plot harvesting with our new S7 800 demo. This spring we planted this field with the population ranging from 113,000 to 160,000. We did this to hopefully successfully demonstrate predictive ground speed automation and combine automation in the new S7 800s.
Jeremy Ransom, the service technician, been here 11 years.
What is your first impression of the model year 25 S7 800?
Well, everything seems to be working as well. The technology's definitely advanced from the first combine advisor. There's a little bit of tweaks that's probably working itself out right now, but as we stand, I'm pretty much acceptable with grain loss and grain quality at the moment.
And what about the predictive ground speed automation?
It takes some time to get used to.
So did you feel it adjusting?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Very cool.
Double click your header height button for resume, it will take you off. And then based on your cameras, that's when it'll pull you, push you. So you gotta that takes a while to get used to.
To be able to run John Deere's new predictive ground speed automation, there are a few requirements that you need to have before you can get started. A new model year 25 combine is required. They have two forward-facing cameras that measure the amount of plant biomass, allowing the combine to speed up and slow down accordingly to what is in front of it. The model year 25 combine has to have the ultimate package, which has to be ordered with that new model year 25 combine, a Pro Drive or Pro Drive XL transmission. There's also a few startup procedures that need to be done before going out to the field as well. The ultimate machine has to have a work plan done that gets actually automatically sent to the combine with the satellite maps that are generated in Operations Center based on the biomass that is coming in from those satellite maps.
Now that we have harvested both our Fowler plot and DeMott plot using the predictive ground speed automation, we have actually seen the data with this predictive ground speed utilizing this technology. We actually saw in the field productivity with acres harvested an hour. With a combine last year, we actually gained about an acre and a half harvested. But also we saw a change in the fuel efficiency. Last year we were using about 17, 18 gallons an hour. Running predictive ground speed with this machine, we actually saw that we were using less fuel at about 16 and a half gallons an acre. We have also seen that with this technology, we can actually almost get harvest done in a sooner amount of time. We're seeing data out there that we could finish harvest a week earlier. This is our demo S7 800 Ultimate Combine package. It's got all the automation features on it. If you're interested in taking this machine out to one of your fields, give us a call, the IS department a call at 219-327-6676, and we'd be more than happy to bring it out to you and have you guys try the technology.